Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix this error on your VS Code when running a Node.js or React.js application. So guys, I was working on a new project using React and then I came across this error guys, and I want to show you guys how I'm going to be fixing this. So guys, this is the error which is caused by security issues on your system. So it says npm file c.program file node.js cannot be loaded. PS1 cannot be loaded because running script is disabled on this system. For more information, see about execution policy at https and so on at line 1 character 1 and so on. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to fix this. So I'm going to be fixing this using 3 steps. So guys, these are the 3 steps I'm going to be using to fix this error. Step 1. So guys, these are the 3 steps I'm going to be using to fix this error. Step 1. First, you have to open the command prompt and run this command, set-ExecutionPolicy and so on. So I'm just going to go ahead and then copy this. Great. And then I'm going to come to my Visual Studio Code and then come over to my terminal. If you don't know how to open your terminal, come to this and then come to terminal and then open new terminal guys. So guys, you should have this and then locate your app directory and then go ahead and then paste this guys. I'm just going to paste and then hit enter guys. Great guys, so the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and then go to step 2. Now you have to run the second command on your system. This command is Get-ExecutionPolicy. I'm just going to go ahead and then copy this, Ctrl C, and then come to my terminal. Then I'm going to go ahead and then paste and then hit enter. It says RemoteSigned. Then I'm going to go ahead and then do this step 3, which says to view their policy you need to run this command in your command prompt. I'm just going to go ahead and then copy this, Ctrl C, and then come back to my terminal and then also paste, and then I'm going to hit enter, and then it says list scope execution policy and so on. So I've successfully been able to fix this error. So guys, lastly I'll go ahead and then run this command, npm run dev. So guys, this has successfully solved the error which we encountered. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video and share so that other people can benefit from this video guys. See you guys in my next video. Enjoy building apps.